In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play with friends in Minecraft on the PlayStation 5. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can add your friends, invite each other to single-player worlds, or how to set up a realm or join a server. So, the first thing that I want to make extremely clear is that I am recording this video on my PC, but don't worry, the process of playing with your friends is the same across all platforms where Minecraft Bedrock is available, so I'm only recording on my PC for convenience. All that you have to do is go over to Play and switch over to the Friends tab. So at the top you have Worlds, Friends and Servers. When you go over to Friends, you can select the option to add a friend, and this is going to be the primary way of playing with your friends. You can look for anyone by using their gamer tag here. This is the gamer tag that they use on their Microsoft account, so when they log into the game and they look at their character over here on the menu, it should be displayed on top of their skin. Now, when you select them and send them a friend request, they will get a notification that they can accept. So look for them, select the option to add a friend, and now once you have them on your friends list, you will be able to invite them. They are going to appear under Joinable Friends for Joinable Realms. Now, you can also join any of your worlds, so I'm just going to go ahead and join this creative world to demonstrate this. Inside of a world, when you pause the game at any time by pressing the Options or Start button, at the right side, you will find the option to invite to a game. By clicking this, you can choose the friends that you want to invite and send the invite accordingly. On PlayStation 5, there's also going to be the option to find cross-platform friends by using their Microsoft ID. So this is all you have to do. They will get the notification and they can join. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can also set up realms, which you will have to pay for a subscription on the marketplace, or alternatively, you can go over to the servers tab and join any of these servers for free. You and your friends will be able to join together, you can interact with each other, and play all of the games or mini-games available on the respective server that you joined. I hope I was able to help you on how to play with friends on Minecraft PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.